Hey, FIFO here, and today we're diving into one of the most iconic 3D tutorials ever. The donut. But don't get me wrong, I'm not here to step on Blender Guru's toes. Instead, we are giving this series a little Houdini twist. I mean, why just modeling one donut when you can master them all? So buckle up, we're going to take your skills to the next level. Let's bite right in. Oh, it's sweet. Like in any other Houdini project, we need to come up with a plan. So here's how it goes. Step 1. Modeling the dough. The base of every good donut is the doughy part. That might be the most easiest part as well, because we can simply rely on a primitive shape. But we're going to add some details to it. Step 2. The glazing. Here it gets more tricky, because the glazing should be just on top of the donut and will be running down on the sides a little bit. To ensure that, we need to come up with a procedural way of selecting the respective areas and generate the glazing just there. Step 3. The sprinkles. Randomly distributed, those little colorful elements will give crunch and extra sweetness to our donut. To look even more realistic, they need to leave little dents inside the glazing. In this step, we will take care of that. Step 4. The icing. We need to generate random patterns of icing on top of our previously created geometry. This step will conclude the modeling part, and we will be left with a proper donut. But there's one more step to come. Step 5. Variations. In order to generate endless amounts of donuts, we need to find a procedural way of adjusting parameters so that each iteration will result in a different appearance of each and every donut. This is where the fun starts. Let's do it.